Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Megan of Mom with Megan. You can find me obviously here on YouTube under that name and on Instagram at Mom with Megan. I'll leave a link in the description box if you want to come hang out with me over there. We talk a lot about bags and house stuff and kids and all the things. Today's video is one I'm really excited for and was super requested on the unboxing video of this bag. And that is for this gorgeous bag. This is the MomKindness Duo Backpack, and it is so pretty in this gorgeous color. I love their vegan leather details, and the canvas keeps things really lightweight and comfortable. The hardware on this bag is like an antique brassy look, which I think really complements, again, the colors of this bag and just like the neutral, casual vibes of it. And so we're going to take a look at what I have packed inside. I am packing for my 6-year-old, my 4-year-old, and my 2-year-old. So not so many diapers and newborn things, more snacks and things for me and the older kids. So let's now tilt the camera down and take a look inside. This bag has this here. This is a pocket, but it's also your pouch. So it slides out like this, and you can use this as either a diaper changing clutch or as a mom bag or whatever. I'll show you where I am storing the strap inside of the bag. But this pouch might look little, but it actually holds quite a bit. Right now in here, I just have some mints, AirPods, and then hand sanitizer, hand lotion, and lip gloss. These are my fave right now. They're by Beauty Counter and they're tiny and so cute. And then you could fit a lot more in here if you wanted to just grab this out of your bag and go, taking this with you. That would be like an ideal use of this, I think. But if you don't want to use it for whatever reason, this pocket is lined with this cute striped fabric, and you can just slip things inside this pocket if you'd like. But personally, I just think the vegan leather detail on the front here adds so much, and this magnet is strong enough to work on the pouch through the canvas flap, so you're not worried about things falling out because that magnet works great. On the side of this bag, you do have 2 bottle pockets. They're also lined, which I love. I personally really like how this bag looks when it's like streamlined and there's not water bottles in here, but that is like a personal choice, and I'll show you where I am keeping them in a minute. On the back here, we have some padded backpack straps that are adjustable. There is a cell phone pocket, which is quite large. It goes all the way to the middle of the bag, and in here I just keep my phone. Zips up real nice. A great top handle here at the back, and then if we turn the bag back around, you can see this pocket is a flat pocket, but it does have a zipper underneath to keep all your items safe. So I had some questions about if it was strong enough to keep it closed. It definitely is. I don't think you would find yourself like packing this upper portion so much that that wouldn't be able to close nicely for you. Oh, quickly, before we go inside, there are D-rings here on the side of the bag that would be perfect for hanging it on your stroller. So underneath the flap, you do have a double zipper. You can see there's the 2 zipper pulls on either side, which I love because, and then it folds really far down. Again, you have this super cute striped lining, and then this bag offers a lot of interior organization. So in this back zippered pocket here, I am just keeping my keys. I think that's a really easy place to store them and reach them. Zips up nice for safety. And then underneath that, I have this pouch. It's sitting on top of something, so that's why it's kind of sticking out. And in here is kind of my medical supplies, pacifiers, Neosporin, Band-Aids, all that stuff. And then under that is where I am keeping the, I know that pocket is bigger than you thought when I pulled this out. I am keeping the strap for the pouch. So it does have D-rings on the side, and then you're able to attach this strap and use it crossbody, which is really comfortable and functional, whether you're out on date night or just need to grab this part out of the car and throw in your wallet and go. So that's these first 2 pockets here, and then let's go through the middle section. So I have 2 water bottles here in the middle. I have, this is a Hydro Flask. If you can believe it, it kind of looks like short in here because this pocket is so great and large. This is a 32-ounce Hydro Flask. We carry these all the time because I have 3 kids and we live in Texas, so we always need more water. And then my littlest likes to carry his own water, so he packed this up and gave it to me, and it fits perfectly in the bottle pocket that's here on the side. So I did want to show you that it fits no problem in the outside pocket, but it also fits great in the inside if you like kind of that more streamlined look. So in the middle here, I'm also carrying, this is a Petunia Pickle Bottom product. I've talked about it in a bunch of videos because I carry it all the time. It comes with the intermix system, and it's just like the perfect little cooler for snacks. So it is insulated, and then I have chips and fruit and crackers and fruit snacks and all that kind of stuff. I also just think it looks really cute with the bag because it kind of matches with that cream color. Okay, and there is, in this front part, another slip pocket here, which I don't have anything in. And in the other bottle pocket, I just have my mask. I will link this in the description box because it's my absolute favorite one. That takes care of everything in the middle compartment. Closing the flap and turning the bag to the back, there is a padded, what you would use as a laptop compartment if you wanted to, but I have 2 more pouches back here. I have first off my wallet. This is by Lily Jade. It's big, right? But it is really flexible and thin, and that's really important to me because I love how it can just fit back here, no problem. And in this last pouch, I am just carrying 2 size 5 diapers and a 10-pack of wipes. I just don't need this very often anymore now that my son is 2.5. Just don't run into too many issues on the go, which is nice, but have to have them anyway. So I like that they are separate and in the back. I don't have to like shuffle through 2 extra things in the middle compartment of the bag when I don't need them very often. So I think I probably had this bag packed at like half capacity. It would be excellent for travel because everything I had in it like took up this much room. So there's tons more room up top if you need to throw jackets in for the winter or things like that. I think this is a great bag if you need to carry a little bit more stuff than what would fit in their tote bag, which I do have a review for as well. Link will be in the description box, but otherwise this is my packing for the MomKindness Duo backpack. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it gave you a better idea of just how much the Duo backpack can hold and how the pocketing all works on this bag. I love the magnets. I love this front magnetic flap, which comes out as the pouch. Just so genius. If you want to shop this exact bag, I will leave a link in the description box. Don't forget to give MomKindness a follow on Instagram and me at Mom with Megan, and I'll see you guys in my next video super soon. Bye!